Log into your Kronos account. Here you have your dashboard where you can see your upcoming schedule. Scroll over here and click on roster to see today's roster. You can see openings, anything marked with red. Notice the EMT on the left side, which shows that it's an EMT opening, or if it's underneath EMT, as you see here. You can also change this so it says vacancies with this drop-down menu, and then you can see all the vacancies for today's date, separated with EMT and medic where noted. Now click over here and skip to another date. Here you can see all the vacancies for this date. You can also choose multiple dates by clicking this. And now in a list view, you can see all the openings for the dates that you selected. You can click this minus sign to close the dates so you're only looking at the ones that you've chosen to look at. By clicking calendar, you can see your upcoming shifts for that month. Click list view to list it.